Alexa, how much does it cost to get a dry vent cleaned, approximately? It says $185, average around $138. We're gonna do it for nothing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this shop vac that's sitting here on the floor, and I'm gonna take this pool noodle, and I'm gonna stick it into the hole, force it in a little bit. Gonna get my drill. I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna take those four screws out of the vent. Okay. Wow, I can see the stuff in there already. Put this down. I'll come down. Now I'm gonna take this pool noodle and I'm gonna put it in the hole. I'm gonna turn it on. Of course, I'm going to do it for a little bit longer, but $178 saved.